Okay, so this is a little video using Google Classroom to have a class discussion or ask for help from other people. So in the Stream tab at the top, you can see all the work that's always set, and this option here, ask for help if you need it. Now, underneath everything in the stream, there's an option for a class comment, and in the class comment, you can ask for help. Please, can I have some help? And when I fire that off, everybody in the class can see it, not just the teacher. So actually, that gives a great opportunity for another member of the class to say to post a response. It doesn't have to necessarily wait for your teacher. It could be something that another student has done, and in a second, what you'll see is I've just on another device as another student typed in here, and that will pop up here in a minute, and you can have a dialogue between students and teacher, all in the same place. Now, within the assignments, you have the same option too. Now, if I click on the assignment a second, there's two options here. You can see there's already a comment here. This option here is for the class comment, whereas this is a private comment. So if you want to have a conversation just with the teacher, you use the private comment section. But if you want to have a discussion with the class, then that goes in this class comment. All of it will then appear on your front page. So on the front page, you'll then see not only the tasks there, but also the comments just below. I hope that's helpful.